Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to post on the Reddit. So if you want to post on the Reddit, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Reddit mobile application and you have to log into your account. Once you will do it, you will see this type of the screen. So you have to click on this plus icon from the main menu. Once you will do it, here you will see different options. So if you want to post any kind of the link, simply select link from here. And if you want to upload any image, simply select image from here. And if you want to add video, simply click on the video. And if you want to post any kind of the text, simply select text. And if you want to create a poll, simply from here you can select the poll. And right now I am simply click on the text, and here I will see different options. So if you want to post it on your profile, click on the my profile, and here you have to enter an interesting title, and after that you have to enter your post and click on the post from the right top. So once you will do it, you will be post on the Reddit. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.